Now let's get an update on another new product, which is this guy, the NM-T1, which is of course the first native network beamforming table microphone for Q-SYS. Now this is a great addition to any collaboration space, and some of you guys have been waiting for this, but it is now shipping. So look out for those coming your way pretty soon. Now, while this is coming out, I wanted to have a little talk about the changes in AEC usage. So we've had a few updates in Q-SYS Designer Software 9.7, and I want to go into how that affects the amount of AEC you can use on your core. So AEC in Q-SYS has always been software-based, which of course means that it's flexible, we can update it, we can improve it over time, and we can make it more efficient. So something that we've done in the latest version of Designer Software is we have taken dedicated AEC resources for AEC for third-party mics, which has always been around, and we've added dedicated resources for the NM-T1 microphone, okay? So you can have, for example, here, 2 NM-T1s, which have 4 channels each, of course, so that gives you 8 channels with beamforming, with echo cancellation, and that does not impact your normal 16 AEC channels that you would have on a Core 110F, for example. Okay, and of course, as you add more NM-T1s, you will start to eat into that dedicated AEC resources. So you could have 3 NM-T1s, and then you have 12 remaining AEC channels. But you can see there at the bottom, if we have 4 NM-T1s, that's going to give you 16 channels with echo cancellation. You still have 8 remaining AEC channels for third-party microphones. So it does give you a lot of flexibility to have large microphone channel counts. Now, if you want to find some more information about this, I'd like to point you towards the NM-T1 product page on the website, where you will find a table of all of the different microphones, the different ways you can use NM-T1, and how that impacts your AEC processing you have left. And also there's a really handy calculator on that page where you can say what core you've got, what mic you want to use, and it'll tell you how that's all going to shake out.